How to fix HP printer offline problem. Quick fixes. If your HP printer shows offline on your computer, follow these steps to get it back online. 1. Basic checks. Power and connections. Ensure the printer is turned on and not in sleep mode. Check USB, Wi-Fi, Ethernet connections. Unplug, replug cables if needed. Restart devices. Restart your Cytex printer and computer. 2. Set printer to online. Windows. 1. Open Settings, Devices, Printers and Scanners. 2. Select your HP printer and click Open Queue. 3. Click My Printer in the menu and uncheck Use Printer Offline, if enabled. 3. Re-add the printer. Windows. 1. Go to a Settings, Devices, Printers and Scanners. 2. Remove the printer, then reinstall it via HP Smart, https 123hp.com, or Windows Update. Mac. 1. Go to AIM, System Settings, Printers and Scanners. 2. Delete the printer, then re-add it by clicking Apply. 4. Update or reinstall drivers. 1. Download the latest driver from HP Support, https, or support.hp.com. 2. Run the installer or update via Windows, Device Manager, Printer, Update Driver. Mac. Reinstall via HP Easy Start. 5. Fix network issues, Wi-Fi, Ethernet. For wireless printers, ensure the printer is connected to the UCRK same network int as your computer. Restart your WoW router. Reconnect the printer to Wi-Fi via its and control panel or HP Smart App. For USB printers, try a different USB port or cable. 6. Run HP Printer Troubleshooter. Download HP Print and Scan Doctor. Official tool, https support.hp.com, to automatically detect and fix issues. Still offline? Reset the printer. Hold the power button for 15 sec. Disable VPN firewall and temporarily may block communication. Check for macOS Windows updates. Test print. After fixing, print a test page to confirm it's working. For more updates, follow our channel, The Printer Zone.